guys, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to change a language in Google Chrome. So open up your three dots on the upper right hand side of your browser guys and scroll down and click in settings, and you want to scroll down to where it says languages. You want to tap on that, and from here you have languages guys. You can go ahead and you can change between different languages here, or if you have a language that you're not, or if you want to add a language, you simply go ahead and tap on that add language there, and you can choose a language of your choice. I'm going to choose Catalan as an example, and you will see that you can go ahead and you can choose that language if you so desire. So once you go ahead and you add the language guys, you just want to go ahead and choose the option that says current device language. You tap on that and you can choose the language of your choice. So let's say I would like to choose Czech. I can tap on that and it's now changed. And that's it guys. That's how you go ahead and change the language in your Google Chrome browser. So at any point in time you're ready, you can always go back and change the language. And that's all there is to it guys. Very easy and very simple.